Welcome to Quick Tip Tuesday. Today I'm joined by Lissa. Lissa, 2-minute timer set, go.
Okay, hi everybody. So my big tip for you is to do what you can when you can. So when I think about this, thinking about like meal prepping and planning and feeding our little ones while we're so busy homeschooling, do what you can when you feel like it. So in the morning when you get up, if you feel empowered and you feel like super mom, make breakfast, prep lunch. That way, if you're having a rough day, you can have lunch prepped and ready to go, where you have a little bit of break where you can, regroup yourself and get yourself back together and just enjoy a little bit of time before you move on in the afternoon. Now, if lunchtime comes and you still feel good and you feel like, yes, I got this, then prep your snack and prep dinner. So always try to be 2 steps ahead of the game. That way you can have a wonderful day.
Lissa, that was so good. Yes, that's so true. Sometimes we're so like, this is our schedule, that when we're like feeling it, we don't tend to do it at that time, and we miss out on a great opportunity to do it with like full of energy and stuff like that. So I love that. That's a good tip, girl. Yes. Lissa, let us know, how can we connect with you? Where can we find you? Where can we support all that you're about?
So I am over on YouTube and Instagram. You can find me on YouTube at To Each Their Own Home, and you can find me on Instagram at To Each Their Own _home.
Yay. Okay. All that will be linked down below. So definitely check Lissa out. She's full of that good wisdom, and she's real, ladies. She is real. Like, you will love her. Thank you so much for checking out Tip Tuesday, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye. Lissa, thank you for joining me.
Oh, thank you for having me. Thank you. That was awesome.